The journey of the Black Conscious Health Coach didn't start in a typical way. It began decades ago in the heart of a young man who could soar through the air and dunk a basketball like it was as natural as breathing. Those were the glory days, the days of invincibility when the world seemed to be at his fingertips. But, as is often the case with tales of triumph, there came a twist. The young man who could once leap like a gazelle, who danced with gravity as if it were his dance partner, found himself grounded. A torn meniscus and a sprained Achilles tendon, the very pillars of his athletic prowess, were now his shackles. The basketball court that once echoed with the thunderous applause of his dunks now bore silent witness to his struggle. In his youth, he was a marvel to behold, a spectacle of physical prowess. His leap, once a sight to behold, became a memory. His body, once a temple of athleticism, became a testament to the cruelty of time and the fragility of the human form. But the spirit of the young man didn't wane. It didn't crumble under the weight of his physical adversities. Instead, it ignited a flame of determination and resilience. He was no longer the young man who could dunk a basketball, but he was still the young man who dared to defy the odds. As he grew older, he became wiser. He realized that the power to heal, to reclaim his athleticism, lay not in surrendering to his ailments, but in understanding them, in learning from them, and in turning them into his strength. So he embarked on an unconventional journey, a journey of learning, of self-discovery, and of healing. He delved into the realms of integrated Western health, African Wholistic Health, traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and Native American remedies. He sought knowledge far and wide, and in doing so, he found his path to healing. But as a 51-year-old African American male, he made a decision to reclaim his athleticism and embark on a unique healing journey. A journey that would not only heal him, but also inspire countless others to defy the odds, to reclaim their health and their lives. And thus, the Black Conscious Health Coach was born. The Black Conscious Health Coach set out on a path less traveled, a path that merged the best of many worlds, bringing together Western health techniques and the wisdom of age-old traditions. This wasn't about choosing one approach over another, but about harnessing the collective power of multiple healing methods. His journey started with the familiar Western health techniques. These provided a solid foundation, a base from which to build upon, but he wasn't content with just that. Instead, he expanded his scope, turning towards the wisdom of African Wholistic Health. This holistic approach emphasized the interconnectedness of the body, mind, and spirit, promoting balance and harmony as key to overall well-being. Next, he explored traditional Chinese medicine, an ancient system that's been healing and maintaining health for thousands of years. With its roots deeply embedded in the philosophy of yin and yang, it offered a unique perspective on the body's energy system and its role in healing. The journey continued with Ayurvedic medicine, a 5,000-year-old system from India. This approach taught him the importance of individualized treatment, emphasizing that everyone has a unique constitution and thus unique health needs. And finally, he embraced Native American remedies. These remedies, steeped in tradition and respect for nature, reminded him of the healing power of plants and the earth. Each of these approaches added a new dimension to his healing journey, a fresh perspective that enriched his understanding of health and well-being. And they didn't just coexist. They complemented each other, working together to accelerate his recovery. His progress has been impressive. He's not just healing. He's thriving, reclaiming his strength and agility. It's not been an easy path, but it's one that's brought him closer to his goal, his dream of dunking a basketball again. It's a testament to the power of an integrative approach, of stepping outside the confines of conventional wisdom to explore the rich tapestry of global healing traditions. The journey has been challenging, but the results have been rewarding. But what motivates the Black Conscious Health Coach to continue on this path, you may ask? Well, let's delve into the heart of his journey. Our coach is driven by an inner flame, a burning desire to stay athletic, despite the inevitable march of time. It's about more than just the physical prowess. It's about the spirit of athleticism, the essence of vitality that lives within us all, and his aspiration to keep that spirit alive. It's about the challenge, the thrill of the game, the rush of adrenaline that comes with every jump, every shot, every dunk. Yes, you heard that right, a dunk. Not just any dunk, but the kind of dunk that he could pull off in his high school days. That's his goal, his dream, his motivation. But it's not just about him. Oh no, far from it. The Black Conscious Health Coach is on a mission to inspire. He wants to shine a beacon of hope for his fellow brothers who are over 30 and want to maintain their health and youthfulness. He wants to show them that age is but a number, and that they too can stay athletic, stay active, stay fit and healthy. He wants to show them that it's never too late to start, and that they can achieve their dreams if they put their minds to it. He wants to inspire them to take charge of their health, to take care of their bodies, to nurture their spirits, to live their lives to the fullest. He wants to empower them with knowledge, with tools, with techniques, with resources that they can use to improve their health and well-being. He wants to help them discover the power of integrated Western health, African Wholistic Health, traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and Native American remedies. His journey is not just about him. It's about inspiring and empowering others. It's about setting an example, about leading by action, about making a difference. It's about the journey, the process, the struggle, the triumph. It's about the Black Conscious Health Coach's unwavering commitment to his cause, his unwavering belief in his vision, his unwavering dedication to his mission. It's about the motivation behind the journey. Opening, the Black Conscious Health Coach believes in the power of knowledge sharing. We all know that knowledge is power. But what happens when that knowledge is shared? It multiplies, it grows, it ignites a spark in others. That's precisely the philosophy of the Black Conscious Health Coach. His mission extends beyond his personal journey to dunk a basketball again, despite his torn meniscus and sprained Achilles tendon. It's about creating a ripple effect of health and vitality that transcends boundaries and empowers others to take control of their well-being. This is where his online course comes into play. It's a platform created for adults who want to stay healthy and young, and it's an embodiment of the power of knowledge sharing. Imagine this, a video every day for 30 days. Each video is meticulously crafted, providing a step-by-step guide to help students maximize their health. The course is not just a collection of videos, it's a journey through integrated Western health, African Wholistic Health, traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and Native American remedies. It's an exploration of various healing modalities that have stood the test of time. The beauty of this course lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It's designed to fit into your daily routine, to be a part of your lifestyle. It's not about drastic changes, but about small, consistent steps towards a healthier life. The Black Conscious Health Coach doesn't just share knowledge. He empowers his students with the tools they need to take charge of their health. He equips them with the wisdom to understand their bodies better, to make informed decisions about their well-being. In the grand scheme of things, this course is about more than just health. It's about a community of people coming together with a common goal: to stay athletic, to stay young, to stay healthy. It's about creating a culture of health consciousness that goes beyond the individual and becomes a collective movement. Closing, knowledge is power, and he is passionate about sharing that power. Now you too can join this transformative journey. Imagine a life where age is not a barrier, but rather a stepping stone towards a healthier, more athletic version of you. You can turn this vision into reality. But how, you ask? By becoming a part of a community that embraces the power of integrative health and fitness. I invite you to visit my website, HTSUniversity.net. Here you will find an online course that I have meticulously designed to help individuals like yourself who are yearning to unlock their athletic potential, no matter their age. This course offers a unique blend of Western health methods, African Wholistic Health, traditional Chinese medicine, Ayurvedic medicine, and Native American remedies. The course goes beyond merely teaching. It guides you step by step on how to implement these health practices into your daily routine. Every day for 30 days, you'll receive a video that not only educates but motivates. These videos are your roadmap to a healthier, more athletic you. They will guide you on exercises to strengthen your knees and ankles, essential for anyone aspiring to dunk a basketball or even just stay active and mobile. But the benefits of this course extend beyond the physical. It's about more than just dunking a basketball or running a marathon. It's about embracing a lifestyle that will allow you to age gracefully, to maintain your health and fitness long into your golden years. You see, this journey is not just about reaching a destination. It's about the process, the learning, and most importantly, the transformation. So, what are you waiting for? The power to change your life is at your fingertips. All you have to do is make the decision to take the first step. Remember, it's never too late to start. It's never too late to change. It's never too late to become the best version of yourself. Don't just watch the journey, be a part of it. Visit HealthySelfUniversity.net today and begin your own journey to optimal health.